Nina, thanks very much. She will try to give us a little bit of sunshine every now and then.
Brighten things up, indeed.
Bonnie Tyler could have some brightening up needed.
Yeah, she must be waking up this morning wondering whether it was a great idea. Disappointing evening for Britain, for Bonnie Tyler at the Eurovision last night. But, well, if you like high drama, it was still an evening to savour. And as well as you've got Mervyn King and Fergie and Beckham and everybody. You're off in a minute. I'm not retiring, but you're off to Andrew.
Not quite yet. Can't afford to do that just yet. I'm off to read the news on Andrew Marr. You're staying here, though.
I will stay put.
First, though, Nina's going to bring us some sunshine with an update on the weather. Hi, Nina.
Hi, Naga John. Thank you very much. Good morning. Yes, there is going to be some sunshine around today. Not for everybody, but if we remain positive, for many it is going to be fine and dry. We've got a little bit more cloud to the east and also through the south coast, where that could bring the threat of some rain. In fact, you can see that bright white cloud on the satellite picture there. We've then got a slice of sunshine before we see more cloud further north, but thankfully it's lost its rain that it had yesterday. So for many, although it's a little bit of a grey start to the day for Northern Ireland and Scotland, at least we won't see the torrential downpours of yesterday, and to the northwest there'll be some sunshine for the afternoon. For the southwest corner, though, we might just see one or two showers come the afternoon, especially down across South Devon and Cornwall. I think as we move towards Kent and Sussex, some brighter skies here, and further inland temperatures still reaching the mid to high teens. A little bit more cloud for the afternoon for East Anglia along the coast of Lincolnshire and Yorkshire, so that affecting the temperatures just around 12 to 13. Now for eastern Scotland, again, we've got a lot of mist and low cloud along the coast, but move further inland, there's the risk of perhaps some heavy showers developing for the afternoon. The northwest of Corner, the best place for our temperatures this afternoon, into the low 20s. For Northern Ireland, at least it's dry compared to yesterday, although still a little bit on the cloudy side. Meanwhile, in Wales, it should stay fine and dry with some sunshine through the afternoon. Overnight tonight, that mist and that low cloud becomes really quite extensive across the country, and we could see some rain down across the Midlands and the southeast. So a mild night for many. Temperatures will stay in double figures at around 10 to 12 degrees, although it will lead to a bit of a grey, cloudy start to things tomorrow morning. And we'll always keep that mist and that low cloud across the North Sea coastal areas. The risk still of some rain fringing the southeast corner. Still a few showers to the east of Scotland, but further west. Here we'll see the best of any sunshine come the afternoon, and for western Scotland, those temperatures in at the low 20s. For many, still the high teens tomorrow afternoon, but they then start to drop off through Tuesday and Wednesday. We've got a northerly wind, although we're influenced by high pressure in the Atlantic, so for many it should be dry. A little bit on the cloudy side, just the odd glimmer of sunshine. That's all the weather from me this morning. Back to John and Naga.
Nina, thank you very much.
Just when we thought summer was in our grasp, it looks like winter has staged a chilly comeback. It has been grey and gloomy for most of May. Surely there must be some sunshine soon. Over to Nina Rich.
Yes, Jeremy, yesterday was pretty atrocious across parts of northern England, southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland, some torrential rain. Thankfully, things have improved for today. I can find you some sunshine. Many places will be fine and dry. There is some thicker cloud around along the east coast in the south, where there's the risk of a bit of rain. It's really lurking in the English Channel. It might produce one or two showers at times. We've still got that mist and low cloud affecting eastern Scotland and eastern England. Let's take a little look around the country then this afternoon. We have got some sunshine along the north coast of Cornwall and Devon. Inland areas where we get that sunshine, we are looking at temperatures in the mid to high teens, potentially across parts of the Midlands we may get a 20 degrees, but always further east it is much cooler and cloudier. For Northern Ireland, it's a much drier day compared to yesterday, a fair amount of cloud and temperatures at 15 degrees. Probably our top temperature today will be across the northwest Highlands, where we could get to around 22 degrees, and there is the risk of some heavy showers being triggered for eastern Scotland. Still tomorrow, a few showers in the east where we've got more cloud. Further west, a better chance of seeing some sunshine, and it still looks like our warm spot's going to be for western Scotland. Jeremy, back to you.
Let's catch up with some weather now. A bit of sunshine certainly in London in the last few hours. Nina Ridge has got all the details.
Hello there. For most of us today should be dry and fine. We'll see a little bit more cloud along the south coast that could produce a few showers, and thicker cloud to the northeast as well. Along North Sea coastal areas, some mist, low cloud keeping temperatures at 12 to 13 degrees, but in any sunshine, we're looking at the high teens fairly widely further west. Overnight tonight, though, it's that mist and low cloud which rolls in, covering the country, producing some patchy rain for central and southeastern England, and also keeping things very mild. We've got lows of 10 to 12 degrees. Although it's a mild start to things tomorrow morning, it is going to be quite a cloudy one, a slow start to the day, and we'll always keep a lot of that mist and low cloud to the east. Further west, a better chance of seeing some sunshine for the afternoon, particularly for western Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland and northwest England. For Kent and Essex, the risk of some rain holding on through the afternoon. Quite a contrast in temperatures. We could see highs in the low 20s for western Scotland.
Before that, all the weather. Nina's got the details.
Hello there. For most of us, today's weather's not looking too bad. It's generally fine and dry with some sunshine at times. A little bit more cloud for a few places along the east coast and the south coast as well, where there's the potential for some rain at times. You can see that lurking in the English Channel, throwing in a few showers, particularly across parts of the Isle of Wight, down towards Dorset, Devon and Cornwall. A little bit of cloud along North Sea coastal areas of England and Scotland. But if we find some sunshine, the north coast of Devon and Cornwall should stay bright. Inland areas of Hampshire seeing some sunshine at times, some bright skies across parts of Kent and Sussex. Perhaps a little bit cloudier come the afternoon for East Anglia, but the Midlands staying fine, dry, relatively warm at temperatures in the high teens. And with that cloud sticking to northeast England and eastern Scotland, here a cool feeling afternoon, 12 degrees in Aberdeen. But given some sunshine for northwest Scotland, we could get into the low 20s. For Northern Ireland, 14, 15 degrees, although it is going to be quite cloudy come the afternoon. For Wales, some bright spells at times, and for Cardiff, temperatures at 17 degrees. But through the night tonight, it's the cloud which really takes over. It will be a misty and a murky night. We've got some patchy rain across central England down to the southeast corner, but very mild with temperatures staying in double figures, 10 to 12 degrees. Although it's mild tomorrow morning, it is going to be a grey start to the day. Still that mist and low cloud plaguing North Sea coastal areas. A better chance come the afternoon of the cloud breaking up to give some sunshine further west, and the risk of some rain down across the southeast, particularly affecting parts of Kent and Essex. So in the cloud, it will feel cool in Norwich, for example, at 13 degrees, but given some sunshine further west, we could get into the high teens. On Tuesday, not a huge amount of rain. For many places it should be dry, but again that east coast fairly cool and cloudy. Given some brightness for the afternoon further west, we could see highs in Manchester and Glasgow, for example, at 18 degrees. High pressure sitting out in the Atlantic is our main weather influence around the middle part of the week, keeping things mainly dry, but with a cool northerly wind, temperatures really struggling. And we'll see a little bit of sunshine at times. That's all from me for now. Weather has in store for the week ahead. If we begin with today's weather, you can see some thicker cloud to the south and north with a slice of sunshine across central areas. That cloud in the south has been producing one or two showers, and I think we might see a few more over the next couple of hours, but steadily it is clearing away, leaving behind a legacy of cloud along that south coast. If you move further inland, we'll pick up a bit more sunshine and as a result more warmth, 17 or 18 degrees quite widely this afternoon. It is always cooler across North Sea coastal areas around the Irish Sea, where we pick up a little bit more cloud. For Northern Ireland, we've got some well-broken cloud, a bit of brightness here and there, and 14 to 15 degrees. For Scotland, probably the pick of our temperatures to the north of Scotland, with a potential for the low 20s. But with that warmth comes the risk of some heavy showers, possibly later on in the afternoon. They'll slowly fade away, and then tonight we drag in a lot of mist and low cloud. Some patchy rain, particularly across parts of England, down to the southeast. That could turn a touch heavier through the early hours. But it's a misty, a murky and a mild night. For a lot of places, temperatures will stay in double figures. We've got lows of 10 to 12 degrees. So it's a bit of a slow start to the week. Still some of that mild air around, but we'll slowly lose that as it is going to turn colder. There'll be some dry weather around, perhaps one or two showers, but pressure remains relatively high for the week ahead. As we start Monday, we've got some cloud around, a little bit of patchy rain to contend with as well. But things should steadily brighten up. We will see some brighter spells developing through the afternoon. Still keeping the risk of those showers to the southeast and also some showers across Scotland, where there is still that warmth with temperatures in the southwest at 22 degrees. But later in the afternoon and early evening, this set of showers across eastern Scotland and southern Scotland could turn potentially quite heavy with the risk of some torrential downpours. That then drifts into northern England and is one that we'll just keep an eye on. But it should clear through Monday night, and on Tuesday this area of high pressure starts to topple in across the country. It comes with some cooler northerly winds, so we'll slowly start to lose that warmth. On Tuesday, things still not doing too badly. Overall, a little bit on the cloudy side. Inland areas seeing some brightness, lifting temperatures to the high teens. Always a touch cooler around the coast where we keep more cloud around. We've then got this weak weather front which moves its way south on Tuesday and into Wednesday. And behind that, there will be some clearer skies, but that colder air starting to develop. So for Scotland and Northern Ireland on Wednesday, a better chance of perhaps seeing a bit more sunshine around. Further south, we'll keep some cloudier skies with a risk of perhaps 1 or 2 showers around, with temperatures at best reaching highs around 15 to 17 degrees. By the time we get to Thursday, we're clinging to that cloud and a few showers along the eastern coastal areas. Further west, a little bit of sunshine, but I think nearer the Atlantic we start to drag in more cloud around. And you'll notice those temperatures coming down as well. We're really sticking with that northerly flow of air for the end of the week. But we're also staying with that setup, low pressure in the North Sea, higher pressure further west. So along that eastern coastal strip, we are likely to see a little bit more cloud, maybe 1 or 2 showers. We'll then see a slice of sunshine before things are a little bit cooler and cloudier out towards the west. We'll keep you updated on how that forecast develops on our website. But that's all from me this afternoon. Bye for now.